Aloha! Today I want to talk about easy ways that we can live sustainably to help not only our health, but the health of the environment by creating less waste. So I'd say the first thing would to be buy a bamboo or wooden toothbrush. Key ingredient, if you're using and buying a plastic toothbrush every 3 months, where is it going at the end of the day? Something to think about. And with that, a wooden case to go with your toothbrush. I got this from Base Alchemy, which is a company in Sydney, and I'll put their info in the bottom. Another company I love in Australia and Sydney is a refillable deodorant stick. I've been using this for 6 months or so, and it's all natural, essential oils, lotions, recyclable, but you just order a new tube and you just fill your new tube up with the deodorant. Soap. Buy bar soap or refill a glass jar or a bottle with liquid soap from your bulk food or your natural food store. This is a shampoo bar and it's also a body wash. So less waste with just one bar. Again, with the refillables, this is my toothpaste powder, so I make my own toothpaste and I have been for the last few years. And I refill them in the bulk food section at my natural food store in a glass jar that I bring myself. I weigh, fill it up. Here's my toothpaste. I put my recipe on my blog, so I'll put that also in the comments below. Really huge thing for everyone who eats out every day, bringing your own reusable containers. Really comes in handy every day that you go out to eat and they might use plasticware or you're taking it on the go to lunch. And with that comes wooden or just reusable utensils and a straw. I bought these while I've been traveling, but you can buy them online, you can buy them at your natural food store. These products are all available to you, to me, and they're not only positive purchases where you spend this money, you spend this positive intention, and you'll get positive intention, positive energy back to you. The earth, once you take care of the earth will take care of you. And that is my tidbit for today. Happy Sunday. Peace and love.